Hey there, in this video I will show you how to create professional looking logos using Leonardo AI. It's easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Go to Leonardo AI website and find the community feed options. Then in the search bar type logos and scroll down to find a design you like. Click on it. Step 2. You can copy the prompt they use or use an image as a reference. For this example, we will use an image. Just click image to image. It will help generate logos similar to the image you choose. Step 3. Now wait for it to generate 4 different logos. Look, we have got a cool logo. You can change it, you can variate it until you are satisfied. Paste the prompt here. You can edit the letters, add 3D effect, change styles and more. Play around with it until you like what you see. Once it generates, check out your logo if you want something unique. Add details like background types or color themes. You can pick the best logo from the options generated. If you are on a premium plan, you can choose how many logos you want to generate. That's it, you can edit the prompt or try different styles for your logo. Have fun experimenting and creating unique logos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. Goodbye.